I am Dr. Srirupa Mukherjee from USA headquarters, and I am going to speak about the plant dyes present in USA campus today. Now, it is said that no one can refuse a colorful platter even if the person is a fussy eater. Really, if the plate is having vibrant colors on it, then before tasting, the person will become attracted to it. But one question is there, are these colors good for our health, or prolonged use of them will cause any harm to our health? Since Second World War, the color chemistry or dye chemistry started growing, and many synthetic dyes were prepared from coal tar as the starting material. But it was found that these synthetic dyes are having some adverse effect on health on prolonged use as well as immediate use. They produce skin irritation, eye irritation, damage to internal organ, and sometimes even cancer. On the contrary, the plant-based dyes which were being used in India for thousands of years are much better regarding the health benefits. They do not contain any harmful chemicals. On the contrary, they contain beneficial chemicals. These plant extracts can be made from different parts of the plants like flowers, leaves, roots, bark, petals, and other parts also, even from fruit skins. These colors, they are mainly extracted by boiling the plant part with warm water, and many of them are having health benefit onto the central nervous system, the skin, hair, other body parts, and internal organs. In USA, we are having several such plants which are clustered between these biofuel section and medicinal section, and namely they are Bixa, it is here, hibiscus, then clitoria or blue pea, night jasmine or prajakta, marigold, and at the backside we are having palash, mother, onion, etc. And you can as well see the turmeric plants are grouped over there. All these plants are producing colors to our food as well as to fabrics also. We cannot forget use of dyes in fabrics. Specially mentioning these benefits, I will start from marigold. The extract of marigold petal supports eye health and soothing for the skin. They prevent prickly heat. Hibiscus and blue pea or clitoria, these extracts, they are nerve soothing, memory enhancing, and therefore they are used for the students community. You can have either warm decoction as tea or the cold one as sharbat. Then we have got Bixa, which is definitely very much used in cosmetics, especially the skin coverings, which is little slimy and provides a natural lipstick very well. We have got turmeric, and this condiment which we are using in our kitchen every day to enhance the richness of the color of our curries, has got anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic properties. It is a good natural immunity booster and blood clotter. If there is any cut, you put a little bit of turmeric powder on it, the blood flow will stop immediately. Then we have got Palash, Mother, etc. As I told, Prajakta stalks, they provide not only good food color and a substitute of saffron, but they can relieve arthritis pain also. While using in fabric, natural colors may not be very fast in harsh sunlight or with strong detergents, but they are soothing to skin. Warm extract of polished flower, dried prajakta stalks, roots of mother, and turmeric also to some extent, marigold petals, onion skin, all of them provide good coloration provided the fabric is pre-treated with a solution of mordant like aluminium or ferric salt solutions. The mordant can change the color also, and natural fabrics like wool, silk and cotton can be having various colorations with different shades by using these materials. In fact, the technique of kalamkari in Andhra Pradesh, which is still done with vegetable dyes only, and this particular piece I am wearing, this dupatta is the kalamkari dupatta where vegetable dyes are used, and these colors are becoming faster with the use of moderns, and the hue also change with the type of fabric, exposure to the coloring material and the mordant in different ways. Kalamkari technique is thousands of years old. Even before the Mughal era, the mention of Kalamkari is there. Therefore, you can understand that how far it goes to use the plant extract as dyes. In USA campus, we are lucky to have all these plants, and they are not only providing vibrant colors onto our plates but also to our lives. Thank you so much.